Come on, show me how the train goes over the train track.
Over the train track?
Where's your little choo-choo train?
It's under the bar.
Oh, was it in the train yard?
Yeah, to fix it.
Oh.
It needs to wash up because it rained.
Mm-hmm. Can you come show me then how the train goes over the train tracks? Like you were just doing?
Oh.
No, you do it.
Oh. I'm a lizard.
What's the train say?
Chugga chugga choo choo chugga chugga choo choo chugga chugga. Rumble.
What was that? A running bull?
Yeah.
Come show me again. What else?
I'm grabbing all the ice cream off. Here's the ice cream.
What are you going to do with all that ice cream?
Lick it and put the hearts in our hearts. Can I let the dogs in?